So hello everyone, this is Janvi and welcome back to my YouTube channel or welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you know today what we are going to do, just imagine what we are going to do today. Okay, just imagine that. Today we are also going to do the same chapter, polynomials, the zero of the polynomials we are going to do. But in that we have a refreshed subtopic, and that is the difference between polynomial and polynomial equation. We are having two sums. Okay, so let's start this video without wasting our time. Okay, so first of all what we will do the difference. Okay, so the difference is not that much thing that you are thinking. Yeah. So this is a very simple difference that you have to understand. Okay, polynomials and polynomial equation, just see the name, children, just see the name. Not polynomials, see the name of equation. Okay, polynomials I will understand. Okay, but polynomial equation, you have to understand that. And for that I have a thing, just see this word, equa equation. It means they are referring to the sign of the equal sign. They are referring this sign. Yeah, they are referring this thing. Okay, and if you are getting this equal to sign in any kind of term, what you have to do, that is a polynomial equation. What is it? That is a polynomial equation. Okay, okay, getting it, guys. I have one more introduction, means one more thing for you, that I am also going to give you some important MCQ for this chapter and important question, and I will also try to solve this for you. Okay, I will try to do it in the next video, or I will try it in this week. I will try to do it. Okay, in this week only I will try to give you. Then I tell you that it is believed on the equal to sign. Okay, what they believe it on? They believe it on the equal to sign. Okay, so just think of it. If px is a polynomial, okay, if px is a polynomial, then px is equal to 0 is the polynomial equation. What's the difference between it? They both are same, just the difference is 0 and is equal to sign, not 0. If you write that p x 0, is it anything? No. Okay, they are the polynomials. But when you have added this magical word, that is equal to sign, when you added this, they become a new formation, that is equation. Okay, when we are adding this into sign, we are getting a new formation, that is our equal polynomial equation. If x is equal to a is a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, if x, if I say if x is a 0 of the polynomial, okay, and if x is equal to a is called the root of the polynomial equation. Okay, then we say that if you have to find that x is equal to a, you have to find the 0 of the polynomial. In that polynomial we say this, but in the polynomial equation we say that x is equal to a is the root of the polynomial. Okay, it's the root of the polynomial equation. Okay, this much is clear. Very easy peasy concept, guys, very easy peasy. Okay, getting my point? Getting it? I hope you are getting it. If you are getting, put a thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up. We know that all constants are also polynomials. We know that. Did you know? Just I have an example for you. Do constant polynomials have zeros? Give me the answer in the comment box. Okay, I want the answer. This thing I want. But I have given you the answer. What you have to put it? I am going to tell you the answer. Constant polynomials do not have any zero, my child. If I ask you 5x, wait, let me change the color because this is also the blue color for you. Okay, yes, px. Okay, if I say you this thing, px, p, then x is equal to x plus 5. If you put any kind of constant, if you put 100, if you put 1000, if you put -1, not -1, no, not -1, if you put thousands, if you put 100, 1, 5, 7. Let me take an example of 5 only. If you are putting in the place of x, you are putting 5, so 5 plus 5 is equal to, we are getting 10. Are we getting it? If you are putting 10 in the place of it, so 5 plus 10, we are getting 15. If you are putting in the place of 10, if you are putting in the place of 15, if you are putting 100 also, what we are getting? We are getting 105. But not, we are never getting the main, we are not getting the magical word of this session. We are getting 0. So this means the constant polynomial doesn't have any 0. They didn't live with that. They didn't depend on the 0. Okay, getting my point? Getting it? Thumbs up. Getting, if getting, thumbs up. Not getting, full session I will responsibility made. This is my responsibility. I will correctly make that. Okay, I will make that. What about the 0 of the 0 polynomial? What about it? By convention, every real number is the 0 of the polynomial. If I talk about the real numbers, they all are the 0. If I do any of the equation and if I put real number in that, we obviously get, if we get wait, I'm giving you a question and you have to give the answer in the comment section. Okay, I'm gonna to tell you, but you have to tell me. Okay, I'm just giving you a question, but you have to tell me. Yeah, just see your question. It is root 19. Okay, root 19 is your question. Not able to see this? Yes, your question is root 19. You have to tell me, is it the 0 of a polynomial? Just write the homework question answer is yes or no. Yes or no. Just write it and I want the correct answer, guys. I want the correct answer, because number system concept we have like halwa for you, because number system we have read it so many times. Number system, don't forget, every real number, every rational number, real number are the combination of what number, real number are what, you will give me the answer, then I will explain this thing. Okay, okay. Finding 0 of the linear polynomials, this we will do later. Okay, so by this session we have completed. Okay, very much thing we have completed in this today's session. So your homework is find, okay, is root 19 is the 0 of the polynomial? I want the answer in yes or I want the answer in no. Okay, okay, very easy answer, guys. I need the correct answer. Okay, I need the correct answer for this. This is really a halwa question for you. Really an easy peasy question. Okay, this is really an easy peasy question. Okay, and I want the correct answer. Okay, okay. So by this ending our today's session. So have a great day. Bye and take care. And take time. Okay, bye and take care, guys. And also, if you like, subscribe to my videos and share it. Thank you.